In this little short video, we're going to focus on number 33. You'll notice we have, we're adding mixed numbers, which means we have a whole number and a fraction. We're going to add two of them. Looking at my choices, I see two of them have a denominator of 6, and the other two have a denominator of 5. After we figure out our common denominator, we can eliminate at least two of these choices. So 2 1/3 plus 4 1/2. Let's see what that looks like. So here's 2 1/3 and 4 1/2. Okay, so remember, like I said in a previous video, a prior recording, I'm going to pretty much ignore my whole numbers until I need to use them. But to start, I need to list my multiples to find a common denominator. So there's multiples of 3, and there's multiples of 6, I'm sorry, of 2. And the first number that I come across that they have in common is 6. So my new denominator is 6 for the fraction part. And if you go back and look at the question, since my denominator is 6, I don't have to worry about choices B or C. It's either going to be A or D. So let's find out which one. So starting with the 3, to go from 3 to 6, I multiply 3 times 2. So I multiply by 2 on top. And 1 times 2 is 2. And to go from 2 to 6, I had to multiply twice, and 3 times 2. So you multiply 3 up top. So 1 times 3 is 3. And now my denominators are the same. I have equivalent fractions. I can bring over my whole number. 2 and 2 6, 4 and 3 6. They're the same value as the original mixed numbers, but at least now with our fraction, we have a common denominator. Add the numerators, and then when you're done, if the fraction cannot be reduced, you can leave it there, or if it's improper, you have to change it to a mixed number, but in our case, it's not. It's simplified as far as it can go, so just add the whole numbers. So we're looking for 6 and 5 6, which would be D again, so choice D. Okay, so just to review, leave the whole numbers alone until you need to add them or subtract them. Focus on the fractions first, find the denominator, and then go from there.